Hi everyone, and welcome to our next class. Today we will be making paper roses for Valentine's Day. So grab some red and green construction paper, a ruler, scissors, glue stick, and a pencil, and let's get started. Start by measuring 9 inches on one side of your paper and 9 inches on the long side. Put a little mark where the number 9 is on both the top and the bottom. Create a line and then cut along this line so that you have a square that is 9 inches by 9 inches. Next, fold your paper once upwards and once sideways. After making a crease, open up your paper to reveal 4 squares. Use your scissors to cut along the lines that you created, and you should have 4 small squares of paper. Keep one square and put the rest off to the side. Start by doing one fold upwards and one fold from left to right. Taking the top left corner, bend and make a triangle to meet the bottom right corner. You should have this triangle looking shape. I'm drawing it out with a pen so you can see the edge that you have to cut. Grab your scissors and cut along the semicircle. Then create a small little snip off the end, and after opening it up, you'll see a flower with a hole in the center. We're going to repeat this another 3 times. Now you should have 4 flowers. Taking the first flower, we're going to cut only 1 petal off. With the second flower, we're cutting 2 petals off. For the third flower, we're cutting 3 petals off. And for our final flower, we're cutting 4 petals off. Now that you have all these petals, we're going to get rid of the 1 petal, the 2 petal, and a 4 petal. Arrange your petals from biggest to smallest to make this next step easier. Grab your glue stick and start to glue only 1 petal. Now fold the glue and 1 petal behind each other to create a cone-like shape. Repeat this for the remaining 4 petals. Now grab your green paper and we're going to create the base of our flower. Cut out a small square, mine is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Start by folding it once upwards, once from left to right, and once from the top left corner to the bottom right corner, the same way that we made the red flower petals. Next, I'll be drawing some lines with pencil on this shape so you can see where we need to cut. Now grab your scissors and start to cut along the pencil lines that I created. Once on the corner, once going upwards, and a tiny little notch off the other corner. Open it up and you'll see we have little leaves for the bottom of our flower. For the stem, we have two options, a paper stem or a pipe cleaner stem. To see the pipe cleaner stem, fast forward in this video. Measure a square that's 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Then cut it out with your scissors. Next, starting from one corner of your paper, try to roll the paper as thinly as you can. Don't forget to add glue to the bottom so it sticks to itself. Next, from biggest to smallest, start to thread the petals through the stem, one at a time. Next, curl all the petals by bending them outwards with your fingers. Using your glue stick, add some glue to the base of your flower. Then slide the green leaves on and press firmly. And there's our paper flower with option 1, a paper stem. For option 2, pipe cleaner stem, continue watching this part of the video. Start by taking your petals individually and bending them outwards. Now starting from biggest to smallest, start to thread the pieces onto a single pipe cleaner or 2 pipe cleaners. Stick the pipe cleaner through the top of the flower and start to bend it to create a knot. Then pull the pipe cleaner back down through the flower, and this will prevent the flower from coming out from the top. Next, take another piece of green pipe cleaner, cut a small section, and wrap this at the base of your flower so that it does not fall down. Using the remainder of that green pipe cleaner, wrap it around your flower and start to create leaves. And there you have it, a paper flower with a paper stem and a paper flower with a pipe cleaner stem. Happy Valentine's Day!